Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials: a phone, a working screen recorder, and free storage, so start now. Open the short full screen and enable Do Not Disturb. This prevents interruptions. Begin the recorder, play the short, and capture the internal audio if your device supports it. Once done, stop recording immediately after the clip finishes so you don't add extra footage. You're recording because WhatsApp status doesn't embed YouTube. You need a local vertical video file to upload. Once you have the raw recording, open your gallery or editor and trim the clip to the exact moment you want. Make sure the visible frame is vertical, 9:16 ratio, so it fills WhatsApp status area. If the short is longer than 30 seconds, split it into consecutive 30-second segments with a lightweight splitter app. This keeps continuity when you post multiple status updates. Also normalize audio and add captions for viewers who watch muted. Now go to WhatsApp status and choose your edited video files in order. This makes the short play as segments. Before posting, set the privacy you want so only intended contacts see it. Upload and preview the combined segments. Make sure captions and sound sync. If audio is muted or cropped, try re-recording with internal audio enabled or use an audio capture workaround, alternatively split differently. Troubleshooting tip: if audio still fails, record speaker output with a second.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.